Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install 7-Zip in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search screen and simply type here 7-Zip. Going to search it and simply click on it. After that, you're going to get this website and you need to click on 7-Zip website, and then from here you're going to get the download link. If you're using Windows 64-bit, then here is a download link. If you're not, if you're using different bit version for Windows, you can simply get the link over here. So I am using 64-bit x64, that's why I'm going to download into this link. Click on that and the exe file is rightly downloaded. After that, we're going to go for to install this exe file. So we're going to click on it 2 times to install and minimize the browser. And then you're going to get the 7-Zip setup wizard over here. You can see if you want to change the destination folder, you can simply click on that and then simply select your destination. So I'm going to leave it as it is and going to click install. And you can see the installation is completed. And now I rightly use 7-Zip in my computer in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.